Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about 3 spirit reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, this is the homepage of this website, and the citizens of United Kingdom are curious to know about the offerings of this website. And this is the online portal or website that deals with non-alcoholic or plant-based, vegan, gluten-free and packaged drinks, or you can say the party starter. And these drinks are made with natural ingredients, or you can say made with functional plants with active compounds, and these are handcrafted and batched in the United Kingdom and founded in London as well. Now guys, you can take a look at the collection of the website by visiting the shop option button, and here you will find the entire drinks in different flavors or with different ingredients. The prices of these offerings are too good to be true. You can also save your money and get free shipping when you buy any 3 bottles. You can take a look at the note which is given on the top of the website. Now guys, talking about the payment information, you can see the website accepts online payment via Amex, Visa, MasterCard, Apple Pay, GPay and PayPal. And guys, talking about the shipping policy of this particular website, let's check out the shipping policy. For that, you need to visit the shipping and returns policy section. So this is the shipping policy, guys. Here they have mentioned the entire information related to time frame and shipping cost as well. So you can read the entire info for your knowledge and convenience. And they have mentioned the cost as well, or the time frame as well. And in this question, they have mentioned that you will get a notification email with a tracking number as soon as your order is on its way. So this was the shipping information, guys. Now before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. So guys, this site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign. And talking about the domain information of this particular site, it was created on 2nd of August 2018. This means that the site is more than 2 years old, guys. So this defines its legitimacy. And coming to the contact details or company's information, let's check out the about us page first so that we can get to know about the story of this particular website or business. So this is the our story page. Here they have mentioned the offering information, brand connection info, which is a positive sign. And coming to the contact details, let's check out the contact us page. So this is the contact us page here, and they have mentioned the email address which matches with the domain name, guys, which is a positive sign. You can connect with the customer representatives via this email. However, they have not provided the official address and contact number, which is a negative sign. Now guys, talking about the social media presence, the site has strong social media presence on Facebook and Instagram. So let me show you the number of followers on Instagram. You can see it comes with 21.9k followers on Instagram and 18,105 followers on Facebook as well. So the strong social media presence makes the site quite legitimate. Apart from that, we have found engagement on the social media platforms. People are commenting and asking queries regarding the prices and regarding the offerings as well. So this is again a positive sign. And coming to the return policy of this website, let's check out the return policy. So let us check the FAQ section, guys. So here they have mentioned the entire questions regarding the discount codes as well and many other questions as well. So let us check the return policy. Here they have also mentioned the information related to products, which is a positive sign. So guys, for returns, you need to visit the shipping and return section only. So let me check out the return policy of this particular site. Guys, they have mentioned 14 days of return policy after the receipt of the product. So do comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product. So this is the return policy information. You can read the email address as well. And guys, talking about 3 spirit reviews, we have found 4.6 rating out of 5 regarding the website and 4.5 star rating out of 5 on products. So this is a positive sign. One of the customers said brilliant, healthy and extremely posh alternative. Another customer said easy to buy, well packaged, good communication. I like the drinks mixer booklet that came with it. So these are the positive comments that makes the site quite legitimate. Apart from that, the trust index score of the site is 50%, which define its legitimacy. So yes, in the final conclusion, we would say this platform is a legit platform, guys. You can give it a try. For money related problem, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.